My name is Brian Chavalia. I'm in sales and technical support. I mostly do the estimates and selling, go out and look at projects, measure up roofs, do takeoffs on them, figure out the costing and the best way to approach a job. You know, if I know that budget's a problem, I'll try to find a creative way to get to a project, get them through what they need to get done right now, and a lot of times set them up for the future. Do things now that are important but could be added to. Mostly, you know, what I'm finding is the customer relationship. I really like meeting different people, seeing people. Some people that I actually worked with in the past that were at a position, they have retired, and I still have kept relationship with them. One guy in particular, we still get together about once a month. We either go to lunch or we go golfing or we do something. So, been married my wife for, she's gonna kill me, over 20 years. I think we're getting close to 25. I guess that's a good thing, right? I don't have to have it measured, but no, she's great. Definitely my support system. She enables me to focus a lot on work. She really does. We have a son. He's in the Navy. He's married, living in Norfolk, stationed there now. Have a daughter, married, down in Florida, and they have a 3-year-old. We're about to be 4 here real soon, so we have a granddaughter. I think you get along better with your kids as you get older and they get older too. So, and that's fun because you don't have to be the dominant dad. You can be their friend. My brother works in the company as well, so it's always good that we can keep that relationship just with the being partners and working together all the time. You get to see him a lot too, so that's cool. And other than that, really, it's spend time at home. I do things with our church. I have a position there. They consider me a deacon at the church. So I'm kind of watching finances, taking care of building management. They draw on me because of my experience in construction fields to maintain the building, watch over that, check finances. I was actually able to get some manufacturers to donate products, and we were able to install those products on the roof for them. So that was really good. That felt good.